welcome to my channel. This is Aderemi John. You are welcome to Journey for Christ Digital. And this is my first video, so everybody here, please subscribe, like, so that this video can reach as many people as possible. The channel that makes you a live breathing cash machine with digital skills. Alright, I'm going to show you something very valuable. And when I say something valuable, I'm going to show you how you can create a website without any stress, without any buying of domain hosting. Create a website for free with your smartphone. Yes, with your smartphone. It is possible. It is possible. Yes, everything is possible in this present technology. So I'm going to be driving, I'm going to be showing you, and I want to assure you that you're going to enjoy every bit of this. So stay tuned. It's the last level of this tutorial. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Alright, so the website is so easy that anybody can just go there and create, or it is user friendly. Okay, it is user friendly. It can't stress you at all. I'm not going to waste your time, so we are going to dive straight into the tutorial. So go straight to your so you go straight now to your browser, any browser you are using. It's my browser. So you go straight to your browser. Alright, I just log in. So you have to type, this is the site. So just watch, I'm going to paste the site for us so that you can check anytime you want to do ours. It is very simple. Just type durable.co. It is very simple. Okay, as you can see, my phone is in desktop mode. So if you want to use desktop mode, okay, just go here. Just go to this side. Okay, click this side. Once you click on this side, you are going to see desktop mode here. As you can see desktop mode. So you click on this desktop mode. Alright, once you activate it, it will show it in desktop format like this. And if you don't want to show it like this, you can use it in normal format. So you are there now. You can see build the website in 30 seconds with AI. It's an AI tools, artificial intelligence, that help you generate everything within 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds. Just check it out. So please follow me gently and see how it's being done. Okay, this is Journey for Christ Digitals, making you a live breathing cash machine with simple technological tools that is making fortune for people. Alright, so generate your website. Click on generate your website. I'm sure you can see that here. Generate your website. Click on it. Immediately you click on it, it will take you to another. Alright, can you see now? Can you see this side? Can you see what it's saying? So you have to click on that get started. Build the website in 30 seconds using artificial intelligence, as I told you. So you are going to click on get started. Alright. What type of business are you building? You have to tell us the kind of business you are building. Like my own, can you see we have a lot of drop down menu, Like me now, let's say I'm building this is digital marketing. Let me see something here. IT consulting. Okay, what else can we look into? Makeup, painting, personal training. Let's say I'm going to do something personal training. So after you pick your personal training, next, click on next. I want to make sure that this thing has not gone far. Click on next. Okay, 4 minutes. Click on next. Okay, once you enter your business name. Alright, let's use any business name. Okay, Journey for Christ Digital. Alright, next. It's going to build it. It's generating a beautiful generating template for us. Oh my God, can you see? It's going to locate your location for you. Can you see? This is perfect. Artificial intelligence has gone far. This is perfect. Okay, well, my browser is causing this. I'm using an updated version of Ignore. Can you see? Boom. This is wonderful. You can edit everything that this is going to show you to your taste. It's going to customize a domain name for you. Wow, your website is ready. Boom. So you're going to see it. Let's see. Wow, it's going to do all the copywriting works. You don't need to stress yourself writing anything. You can just edit to your taste. You can edit all these things to your taste. And let's see, contact us. Immediately you get here, you can read everything. You can read yourself. You can see this is a website design. And here, automated website design. You can see about us. You can read it. You can see the contact form. You can see the contact form that anybody that enter can just use. You can see the contact form. You can see your location. You can also see your location. So you can edit all this. Can you see? You have to sign up for free. If you want to edit it, sign up for free. It should be so easy for you to edit. Let me just take you through it. Sign up for free. So you have to sign up with Google, or you sign up normally. So if you have a Google Mail, just sign up with it. I'm trying to rush. Please subscribe, like this, subscribe to my channel so that you can get everything I'm going to be posting every week. Any new update technology. You don't need to stress yourself. With the advent of AI, we have a lot of things we can achieve. Okay, so you can pick any email. Pick any email to generate so that you can edit. In case you have some things you want to put yourself, you can edit and suit and get your customized domain name. You can see, just save it, save. So after you have saved, okay, you can now customize. Can you see? You can view it, share it, customize it, explore. So let's customize. It's in free version we are using. We are using the free version. Okay. So you customize it to your taste. Can you see it? You customize. Go there. Can you see? Edit website header. So these are the editing pre. You can click on any of these. Your Instagram, put your Instagram name, put everything, put your logo if you have a logo. You can change the site name if you want. You can see the background, you can change the background. This is wonderful. Just discovered this 2023. I said, let me update you guys. So this is my YouTube channel, and this is my first video on my YouTube channel. You are welcome. So many value to be shared. Click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, send this around to everybody. It will ease or spending more money on website design with this free version. But you cannot compare this free version website to a normal website, because I'm a web designer, and you cannot compare this to a normal domain name you customize yourself. Alright, but this is still okay for you if you don't have the financial capacity to build a website. I'm sure you gain value. If you gain value, drop comment on the comment section and let's interact. Okay, if there's anything I need to input on this thing, there's anything I need to do, drop it on the comment section so that you can interact, and I'll give you the best in my next YouTube video. God bless you. This is Johnny for Christ Digitals. See you in my next video.